How to get Level 2 options approval on Tradestation. After you log into your account, go to the main icon on the top right, which is next to Help. Then click Settings. In your settings, go to Trading Permissions. Then here you'll see the list of asset classes, products, and market that you can apply to trade in SO for option. To upgrade to Level 2, you can click the pencil icon or the Add or Edit button. Then you have to select the locations you wish to trade options. Then here you can select the level of options trading you wish to trade. Check here and click on Continue. You need to indicate how many years of experience you have in stock and options trading, then how many trades you did on average per year, and then what is your knowledge level in the trading area. Then click Continue. Then you probably need to sign a document. Then your application will be sent for review, and you should hear back from Tradestation within a few hours or within a few business days. That's it. Thanks for watching.